June 21st, summer solstice. Not much of a sunrise though. But I think it's breakfast time.
Hopefully.
You sleep?
I did, again. Really well. Even with my foot in a unusual position. But yes, really slept really well. And what a lovely view to wake up to.
It certainly is.
So we're all washed and showered. Well, not showered, but we're all washed and
It's time for a breakfast.
ready for breakfast.
And then it'll be time to pack up and head home. So it's just a simple breakfast today, but we're using this, and it's not to hit him round the head.
Or the ankle.
I'm going for the double. So it's down a simple breakfast. I'm going to warm the croissants in it. Coffee and croissants for breakfast. Just a minute or two on here just to warm them through so the butter melts nicely. Are we being greedy?
It's up to you.
They're only like small, aren't they? They're really small, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'm going to let you do the butter. You accuse me of digging into it. You accuse me of being a butter miner. I only have this on low for these because otherwise it'll cook them. So it's only to warm them through, really, isn't it? I think we're just about set. There's only one thing Keith swells coffee with. Milk.
You can hardly call that skim milk, can you?
Warm through nicely. There's only one thing Keith will spoil a croissant with. Jam.
Let's stay to that.
Don't matter how you get it out, it all goes the same way. Even gave you your own knife so you don't cross-contaminate with that red stuff. I don't mind jam on the right thing, but it's just got to be butter on these. Can I do for you?
Yeah.
Breakfast with a view.
So we've had breakfast. Time to feed the animals. So, good boy.
Nab always likes to go out of the way while he eats his biscuit. There's something about our dogs though. For breakfast at home they only have one biscuit. But whenever we're on holiday, they have 2. And they can count because they know it. And they remind us if we forget. Don't you? Tall. Tall. And there he goes again. Hiding away while he has it. He's a quirky dog. Time to have that cup of coffee. Time to go home. After what's been an amazing couple of days getting Amble running again. If you've been with us over the last few months, subscribed to us or just nipping in and out of the channel, thank you. Thank you for all your support, all your good wishes, all your offers of help, and all your help in us getting her up and running again, and for us to be able to get out and about. Without all your good wishes, it would have been even harder. It's been difficult enough, but knowing we've got your support has really given us a boost. So thank you. Subscribers, non-subscribers, people, as I say, who just nip in and out of the channel. You're all amazing. And without you, making our videos wouldn't be half as much fun. So thank you. We're back. More Campervan tales to come. Out and about throughout the country. But for now, it's goodbye to the Lake District. Goodbye to Cumbria. And back home to Nottingham. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next video.